My lovely viewers, you are all welcome to my channel. Start by breaking 2 eggs into the bowl. Stir and add half teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 cup sugar, a 1/4 cup powdered milk, and then mix together. Note, this mixture will need 2 cups of water, but I'm going to be adding it bit by bit. So I will start with half cup. So I'll be adding half cup now, and then I will stir. After stirring, I will add 2 cups of flour, and then I will continue mixing. After mixing again, add 1 cup of water and continue mixing. After mixing, then sieve to make sure that you crush all the lumps. Please, my people, subscribe if you have not subscribed, okay? And also give me a like to encourage me to do more of these videos. Thank you and God bless. After sieving, add the last half cup of water, making it a total of 2 cups. Then mix well. After that, you can now add the onions and the pepper. Remember, they should always come last. Now, I am using 1 tablespoon, which is not harsh. You can use more if you like pepper. And then I'm also using a small ball of onions that I sliced. You can also use more if you like onions. For this particular part, it is optional. Next, I place my pan on heat and add a tablespoon of oil. Then scoop in the batter. By the time the under turns golden brown, then I will flip over. And then cook until the other part also turns brown. And then I will remove. Another way you can do this is you can add oil, pour in your batter, and then cover it to cook. By so doing, the heat will continue within. Repeat the same process by the time it turns golden brown and cook the other part of it. So here comes our final result. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.